Hey guys, so as you might be aware, Android 14 is already in the early betas and it is being tested out. And if you have a Pixel device, you can try this out right now, or you can also try this on some of the partner devices that supports this, or you can also try the GSI image and flash it. Sadly, Samsung is not in the list of these partner devices. However, Samsung is already testing out the Android 14 with their custom UI, One UI on top on the Samsung flagship devices. We'll talk about the release date in a bit, but the question is your Samsung phone supported? So let's try and look at that. So here is a list of the Samsung devices looking at the S series. The last 3 generations of the flagship S series do support it. The interesting thing is the S21 FE is also eligible, which is really good. Looking at the mid-range A series phones, as you can see, there is a long list of it. All of these devices should get the Android 14 along with other flagship devices in the batches. So moving on, we have the M series, which is the budget phones, very few of them. However, it's really fortunate to get Android 14. And finally, here are the Z series flip and fold phones, as you can see. Now finally, these are some of the devices that are not going to get the Android 14, sadly. Now finally, talking about the One UI 6 running on the Android 14. As you can see, this is the timeline for the Android 14, so it should come around the July-August, and that is probably when Samsung is also going to release their beta program. So definitely watch out for that, and it will initially start with flagship devices and eventually roll out to all of the other devices. Like last year what they did, probably something like that. So anyway guys, that's been it for this quick video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.